Hey everybody, how you doing? I have a Ameritron 811H here on the bench in for repair. Customer sent it in. It had no output. Sent some tubes with it, set of 4 and then some other ones, and didn't even bother testing them. I could see internal damage to the plates, so I just suggested that he put in 572Bs, a new set. So I went ahead and ordered a fresh set of 572Bs from Ameritron. I've had good luck with these, and they seem to be less than others out there. So okay, so I noticed that one of the grid loading resistors had burnt open. He had a short. So the earlier ones had the grid loading resistors located at the base of the tube sockets, one resistor per socket. The later ones, they ended up putting these terminal strips over here so you could access them easier. This screw was actually loose, so this terminal strip, the screw grounds the center lug, which these resistors connect to on one side, and also the output safety choke. So this was actually loose, so you may have been having an intermittent ground connection between the grid, two of the tube grids and ground, and also the safety choke and ground. Also the connection over here, which connects the C2 cap and the output network coil, was loose, so I tightened that up. Meter protection diode was shorted. Plate choke was damaged. I ended up replacing the plate choke, put 4 new resistors in, grid loading resistors, 51 ohm resistors. I always replace all of them. New diode. So it's all set. It's ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. My website's amprepairguy.com. I have a shop full of stuff right now. Big toy that's going out. It's all crated up. I have to work on this bad boy next. Got some new toys that came in the other day. So, loads of good parts. Went to Maryland to pick this thing up. Couple $100 with a spare 8877. Can't go wrong with that. So, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.